Hi, in this session I'm going to be covering some of the more miscellaneous item types that you can add to your website. These are mostly generic content blocks that allow you to add images and text in various formats throughout your website, and also some that have particular bespoke uses. Some examples covering these will be things like testimonials, slider sections, and side panels. If we take testimonials as an example to begin with, we'll click into here and press the Add New button. As you can see from the attributes, this is fairly self-explanatory. The intention of this item type is to add a testimonial to your website. You give it a name field, write the quote of what the person has actually said, who they are, and the company they're a part of. In a similar situation, we have slider sections. These are usually used for things like frequently asked questions. Again, very simple. We have a name, a title, and some body text. Moving into our side panels, we have a name and an image. Obviously, this item type intention is to just create an image. We have a simple panel. Again, similar sort of situation. We have a name, title, body text. This one also has a link attribute. This allows you to send the user to another page at the click of a button, the link being where you want to send them, and the link text being what the button itself says. Another example of something like this are gallery images. Again, single-use images with one distinct purpose. In here we have a name, we have a thumbnail image, which is a small variation. We also have a zoom image in this case. This is an image that will display when you click on the thumbnail image at a larger resolution. And we also have an option to put a caption on there. We have a team member item type. These are for meet the team pages and things similar to that. Again, name, image of the staff member, their job title, contact details, and then room for a short bio. We also have feature panels. In here we have a name, title, image, caption, a small piece of text to display underneath it, and then again link and link text. So you can see, based on the examples that I'm showing you now, we tend to keep our naming conventions fairly similar. So things like caption will always be a smaller piece of text that displays on the item. Title will usually be a larger piece of text that displays on the item. If the item type has the capability of linking somewhere, we have link and link text, which always function the same. So there's some consistency throughout the web wizard in how these attributes are named. Just getting into a couple of final items here, we have header focus panels. These usually display at the top of your website just underneath your menu and are consistent throughout the website and display on every page. These differ slightly from the items we've just looked at in that rather than an image, we have an icon library that will upload for you. And then the final item type that fits into this criteria are our related logos. The intention of these is normally for brands that you work with or customers that you wish to showcase on your website. And again, going through the attributes, we have name, image, allowing us to set the dimensions, and again a link. We have a new field here that we haven't seen before, which is link target. This field allows you to instruct the link to either open in the same tab or open in a new tab. If you are linking to somebody else's website or you're linking to a file to download or something of that nature, you usually want to use new tab, so it opens in a separate window and doesn't take the user away from your website. If you're just linking to an internal page, use same tab to avoid frustration of opening multiple windows.